One of the freshest Montero in the market, tapos napakagwapo pa. I got you ulit. Meron tayong new arrival, 2015 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLSV, top of the line, automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 22 inches na Shogun mugs worth 100,000 yan, at brand new yung mga tires. At sa harap, projector headlights, LED day running light, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at functional yan, at 3 ang ending. At sobrang fresh talaga nitong Montero na to, galing siya mismo sa first owner, at sobrang baba ng mileage, 62,000 kilometers on the clock. Sobrang baba nun. At yung kondisyon ng makina napakaganda. Is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder automatic transmission turbo diesel engine. At isa to sa pinakamatibay na makina ng Montero kaysa sa mga latest generation ngayon. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga lens, top of the line GLSV, rear sensor, rear camera, at sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, secret storage, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, center console, at napaka-fresh na leather steering wheel. May mga controls dito, may paddle shifter, analog display with 62,000 kilometers on the clock only, at vanity mirror on both sides, may shade holder na rin to. At ang favorite part ko, meron siyang TV Plus. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang air vents, aircon controls at armrest, sa may 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row, surprisingly, napakaluwag ng space at meron siyang overhead vents at 2 cup holders. So this is the 2015 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 785,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tumawag ka na, napaka-pogi at sobrang sariwa nito. Thank you guys, peace out.